It has been a full summer, and while it has been a time to step away from my sewing shed and have extra family adventures, I'm eager to get into the fall rhythms and routines. To be honest with you, I have struggled with getting back into my rhythms after being away for the summer. It feels like I haven't sewn in ages, despite what the videos on this channel and Instagram may tell you, and I'm looking for a fresh inspiration. Come along with me while I do some fabric and pattern planning, make a stuffed whale toy, and try to decide what my next sewing project should be. But first, here's a question for you. How do you get out of a funk when you aren't feeling inspired lately? Something I didn't expect to experience on my trip was a day trip to the LA fabric market. A friend took me and it was kind of overwhelming in the best way of how much fabric is there. We spent a full day going in and out of fabric shops lined next to each other. I could have walked away with much more fabric, but I tried to be mindful while shopping. Here is what I found. First, this plaid linen is from Mood Fabrics, which I could have spent the whole day there alone. I highly recommend looking at their online selections. Next, I found 3 yards of this railroad striped denim for a total of $10. I don't know what I'll make with this sweet floral print, but it said on the tag it's an organic cotton. I'm excited to wash all of these fabrics and see how they soften and wash and make into something beautiful. So once a month I get my thoughts together, I write out all my ideas and plans and things to remember on this giant craft paper pad. Since it is now August, I'm transferring the things I didn't get to from last month and reorganizing some thoughts to clarify and get re-inspired. Writing things out is so much more helpful for me than having something on my computer or phone. What about you? Do you prefer to write things out? Before my trip, I ordered this whale sewing kit from the amazing Polina, who owns Toys By Polina. I was thrilled to come home to such a beautiful package and note. Now is a good time to clear my mind and focus on creating something. Oftentimes the best thing to do is just create. Getting to play and make something with my hands is far more inspiring than having the perfect plan. I remember this is why I started Rooney in the first place. To create something for others to get lost in the process. Doing this, I find my mental state can be cleared, my heart rate goes down, I feel more ready for what's ahead, and I just enjoy the simple delight of creating. I've talked a lot about inspiration in this video so far, and I think I'm coming to terms with the fact that being inspired all of the time is not necessarily how we're even supposed to live as humans. There's seasons to things, just like winter, spring, summer, fall. They all have a purpose, and I think it's okay to not be completely full of ideas and inspiration, even motivation. So the sewing kit came at the perfect time to just recenter and enjoy the creating process. Lastly, I like to draw out and kind of put pen to paper on my ideas of what I want to sew. So help me decide what to sew next. What are you excited to sew and see come to life this fall? I'm really excited about jackets and overalls, new dresses, and I'm even throwing around the ideas of making some cushions for our living room. I'm really excited to see it all come together in due time. So it was really nice to kind of work through all of these things and get readjusted to being home and get some ideas in place. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.